chocolate factory. We're almost there, look. And we're gonna eat loads of chocolate. Switzerland chocolate, it's so delicious. Switzerland chocolate is the best. Now let's go in and eat some chocolate. Cow. What's the chocolate bean? It's milk chocolate.
Chocolate.
Today I ate 5 chocolates in the train. Now I'm eating this. Now it's including 6. It's the best chocolate ever. So delicious. Too yummy. Too yummy. That's the beans inside. These are stick together cocoa beans. We learned how chocolate was made. Check out this chocolate house. More free chocolate. Chocolate coins. Oh my god, more chocolate. It's a treasure chest full of big golden chocolate coins. These are big chocolate. This is the machine to make it a good shape. We're gonna make chocolate bars. The machine makes the chocolate so flat.
This one, also with the brown chocolate and white. Like this, you take the toothpick and you can do circles, okay, in the chocolate. Then the ingredients we have 3 times the same. It's like 3 stations with the same ingredients, okay? You have to always take it out with the spoon and put it on the tray first. And then with your hand on the chocolate, okay?
I am making a heart for my mom.
And this is for you.
And these. I'm putting stars all over my heart.
Auswählen auf Baum, fertig. Fertig mit den 4
And decorating the chocolate was very fun. My chocolate's gonna be freeze now, and it's looking like this. Whoa. Mine is a star. It's so beautiful. We're finished making our chocolate bar. And that's still trying mine as a beautiful chocolate. Guys, I finished my chocolate. It's white chocolate here and some brown chocolate there. And I put some Smarties and some stars. This is my chocolate cereal. With chocolate that I don't want anymore. This is a chocolate portion. We made it to the train, but we almost missed it. And they have a duck. The white one and the black is this bridge is awesome. Lucerne is so fun. And the buildings are old and beautiful. This building is very old. Check out the waterfall.